Hey y'all, so I started doing some deep winter cleaning of the house. I still haven't got some of my Christmas decorations taken down yet. I still have some holiday decorations that I need to remove, but I basically stripped everything in the rooms and did some serious dusting and mopping and just washed all any linen that I had in any of the rooms and just basically started working on. I'm not done by a long shot. I'm actually taking a break right now. But this is what I got going on. Just trying to get everything back up to par. I am planning to start doing some different decorating in both of the living rooms. I'm gonna change some of the styles out or whatever. Take some of my DIY projects down and add some new stuff or whatever. So be on the lookout for that. Yeah, I just wanted to do a serious deep clean, and this is just part one. I'm not done at all. This is just where I started. But I just wanted to give you guys a little update. Yeah.